Cybersecurity Analyst. It's one of the most in-demand roles in tech right now, and for a good reason. Every day, hackers are getting smarter and businesses are scrambling to keep their data safe. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a hacker yourself to become a cybersecurity analyst. What you do need is the right roadmap to get started. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what it takes to become a cybersecurity analyst in 2025. Now, first off, I'm going to explain what exactly is a cyber analyst and then why they're in demand. And then I'll talk through a roadmap of exactly how to become one. Now, if you saw my last video, I talked about 5 essential cybersecurity skills, which still apply. However, in this video, I'm talking more specifically about becoming a cyber analyst. So let's dive in. First off, let's get clear on what a cybersecurity analyst actually does. Now, a cyber analyst is like the digital bodyguard of an organization. They're responsible for protecting the business's sensitive data. They're responsible for identifying potential threats and responding to security incidents before they escalate. In simple terms, if there's a digital lock on a door, the cybersecurity analyst is making sure it's secure and that no one's trying to break it. Think about all the data you interact with daily, your bank accounts, your medical record, even your social media accounts. Now, without cybersecurity analysts, that data would be at risk 24/7. That's why this role is so critical in today's world. Okay, so let's now talk about why cyber analysts are in high demand. The need for cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing as cyber threats evolve and become more sophisticated. Organizations across the globe are facing constant threats and they need skilled analysts to help protect their data and systems. But here's the real challenge. There's a significant shortage of talent at the moment in cybersecurity. Companies are eager to hire people with the right skills, and with the right training and approach, you can position yourself as a highly sought after candidate in this very fast growing field. And that's where you come in. Companies are desperate for people who can fill these roles, and with the right skills, you really can position yourself as a top candidate in the market. Okay, now let's move on to the actual roadmap on how to become a cybersecurity analyst. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. You need to understand the basics before diving into cybersecurity. Start with networking. Networking is the backbone of cybersecurity. It involves understanding how data moves through networks and the protocols that ensure secure communication. Make sure you familiarize yourself with concepts like IP addresses, DNS, firewalls, and VPNs. Networking knowledge is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities in network systems. Then, it's important you understand operating systems. Cybersecurity analysts must be comfortable with multiple operating systems. You have Mac OS, you have Windows, which is prevalent in business environments. And while Linux is widely used in server management, I would say this is the key one to learn. Understanding how these systems operate, their file structures, and how to structure them against threats is essential. Now, my tip is make sure you become extremely accustomed to using Linux. Then we move on to cloud computing. With more businesses moving to cloud platforms, cloud security has become a priority. Learn how platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud work, and explore their built-in security features. By understanding identity management, data encryption, and cloud-specific threats will give you an edge over other candidates. Make sure you learn core cybersecurity concepts such as threat landscape. Learn about common threats. They could include malware, such as viruses or ransomware. You've got phishing attacks, social engineering tactics. You've got denial of service attacks and insider threats. Make sure you're familiar with incident response. Understand the incident response lifecycle. Develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills to analyze security incidents. It's also important to learn vulnerability management. Learn how to identify and assess vulnerabilities in systems and applications. Understand penetration testing methodologies, ethical hacking, and learn how to implement security controls to mitigate risks. Now, you can find beginner courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. Many of these platforms offer hands-on labs to help you practice what you learn in real time. Now, if you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more valuable content to guide your career journey in cybersecurity. Plus, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. Thank you so much for being part of this community. It really does mean the world to me. Also, please check out my weekly newsletter, The Career Compass. I'll leave the link below. All right, that's enough of that, I promise. Now back to the video. Step 2, hands-on experience. Now, theory is great, but employees want to see that you can apply what you've learned. Practical experience helps build confidence and demonstrates your capabilities. Here's exactly how you can gain that experience. Step 1, learn Python. Python is a key language in cybersecurity and is widely used for automating security processes, writing scripts and analyzing data. Building small Python projects such as scripts to automate network scans or analyze log files shows practical knowledge that employees really do value. Python's simplicity and versatility makes it an excellent tool for tasks like creating pen testing tools or performing web scraping and handling file integrity checks. Next up, I would build a home lab. A home lab allows you to simulate real-world cybersecurity scenarios. As a recruiter, I can tell you that employers love when they see candidates who have home-built labs and they can show their actual work, what they've been doing. Set up virtual machines with different operating systems and practice tasks like patch management or threat detection. You can use tools like VirtualBox to do this. I would then look at joining bug bounty programs. Bug bounty platforms such as HackerOne and BugCrowd provide an opportunity to find and report vulnerabilities in real-world application. It's a great way to gain practical experience, to earn rewards, and to build your capability within the cybersecurity community. Next up, I would look at participating in CTFs, which is capture the flag competitions. These are structured challenges that are designed to test your problem-solving skills in cybersecurity. They cover many different topics such as cryptography, reverse engineering. Participating in these challenges is a really fun and interactive way to improve your skills. Okay, step 3, certifications that matter. Certifications are a great way to prove your knowledge, but not all certifications are created equal. Now, I'm not going to go into each certification in detail in this video. I have videos on my channel that break them down in much more detail, and I suggest you take a look. However, here are the ones I would consider if you're looking to become a cyber analyst. First, I'd look at the CompTIA Network Plus. I believe a must for everyone who's looking to break into cybersecurity full stop. Then I would look at the CompTIA Security Plus. This is a great entry-level certification that covers essential security concepts that you'll need. I should mention the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. This is a newer option that is gaining traction in the cyber world. However, I personally would look at the 2 CompTIA certifications first. Step 4, networking and job applications. Networking isn't just about cables and routers, it's about building relationships. Once again, I'm talking about networking. Those of you that follow my channel know that I pretty much talk about this topic in every video. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn or X, join cybersecurity communities, and attend local meetups. When applying for jobs, tailor your resume to highlight your cybersecurity projects and certifications. So, I know I talk about it a lot, but I can't stress how important networking is, and it really will help you progress in your career. We then have common challenges and how to overcome them. Starting out in cybersecurity can be intimidating. You might feel like you need years of experience before anyone will hire you. But here's the truth, you don't need to know everything. Focus on one skill at a time. It's better to master one area than to be a jack of all trades. Now, continuous learning. This is really important. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving. Make sure you stay updated with blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels. There's so much information out there for you to learn. And in cybersecurity, you never stop learning. Now, we have building an e-portfolio. Document your projects and share them on platforms like GitHub. This was one of the skills I talked about in my previous video. Employers love seeing what you've achieved, and this is the way of standing out from the rest. Now, moving on to final tips in conclusion. To wrap it up, here are my top tips for becoming a cyber analyst in 2025. 1, start with the basics. Learn networking, learn operating systems, learn about cloud. 2, gain hands-on experience. Set up home labs, do bug bounties, capture the flag competitions. Number 3, certify yourself. Choose the right certifications for your goals. Number 4, network, both digitally and in person. And number 5, keep learning. The field is always changing, and so should you. In cybersecurity, it's always important to never stop learning. So becoming a cyber analyst in 2025 is challenging, but can be highly rewarding. The cybersecurity field is booming, and there's never been a better time to get started. If you're serious about making this career change, take action today. The world needs more cybersecurity analysts, and that could be you. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. If you're passionate about tech and want more insights, don't forget to explore my other videos for more career advice. Remember, in cybersecurity, your journey starts with securing your own future. Stay safe, keep leveling up your career, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career advice and cybersecurity tips. I'll see you all in the next video.